Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, let's talk about the POCO X8 Pro's unboxing leak which has happened recently, and final specifications also got confirmed on the POCO X8 Pro device. And with the recent leak of the POCO X8 Pro's unboxing video, which has been surfacing online, and these are the specifications in the POCO X8 Pro you can expect, and same specifications has been listed in the Flipkart website as well. So finally, this is the final confirmation about the POCO X8 Pro's specifications. So if you need to go to the Flipkart website, there you will be able to see all the details regarding the POCO X8 Pro. The phone has got the Dimensity 8500 Ultra chipset and with a 2.3 million benchmark scores. So when you compare with the POCO X1 Pros, that's a little bit improvement, but that's not a huge improvement because even this phone was able to get up to 2 million benchmarks without any kind of issues. That's something you should know in the POCO X1 Pro. That's not a huge improvement regarding the benchmarks. And UFS storage 4.1, which is present, that's slightly better than the UFS storage 4.0. This has got 4.0 and it is a 4.1, which is a little bit kind of improvement. But with the recent leak of the unboxing experience of the POCO X8 Pro, a lot of people, they thought that, even myself, this unboxing leak might be the global version and Indian version might be having more battery capacity. But unfortunately, even in India also, right now we are seeing about close to 6500 mAh of battery capacity mobile only, which is the POCO X8 Pro, which is definitely disappointing to see this kind of low battery capacity, and which is not even an upgrade when you compare with the previous version of the POCO X1 Pro. This has got more battery than the POCO X8 Pro device. That's a kind of unfortunate situation right now the POCO has put in without any kind of upgrade. Let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this POCO X8 Pro's battery. So overall, this is a quick unboxing experience of the POCO X8 Pro's leak which has happened recently. And other specifications included 100 watts of fast charging. We got confirmation as well, 100 watts fast charging. And 27 watts of reverse charging is possible. And regarding the display, will be 6.59 inches screen size. Small display than the POCO X1 Pro. This phone 6.67 inches and it is a 6.59 inches. That's definitely small display when you compare with the POCO X1 Pro's display. But overall, in terms of specifications wise, there is bypass charging available in the POCO X8 Pro. That's one good news. Bypass charging is there finally, which is missing in the POCO F7 and the POCO X1 Pro also. Finally, it did come to the POCO series X series as well, bypass charging, and which is also 27 watts reverse charging is also possible, as you can see. So overall, these are the few unboxing leaks and rumors about the POCO X8 Pro which are coming to true at this moment. That is what I thought of mentioning to you all in terms of the unboxing experience of the POCO X8 Pro leaks which has happened recently. And let me know in the comments what do you think about the POCO X8 Pro in terms of the overall performance and durability. The phone comes with a Dimensity 8500 Ultra. With that performance, you can get up to 2.2 million benchmarks is kind of possible in the device. So regarding the performance, this is how it is in terms of the performance wise. Dimensity 8500 Ultra chipset. So we are expecting 144 Hz refresh rate, but still we are getting only 120 FPS, 120 Hz refresh rate only. So I'm not sure why the POCO team decided to do that, because in their official Instagram page also they did mention that the phone will be having like 144 Hz refresh rate. Even in the official Instagram page, they just a couple of days back, as you can see, they did mention 144 FPS ultra gaming, 2 million plus benchmarks. All these posters they did mention, but unfortunately we are not seeing anywhere close to 144 FPS even in the POCO X8 Pro Max or even in the normal POCO X8 Pro as well. Nothing can be seen here in terms of the upgrade of the display refresh rate. So these are the few details which you should know about the POCO X8 Pro before you actually plan to buy the device. So let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this POCO X8 Pro device. But unfortunately right now POCO X8 Pro is really a pretty kind of disappointment, I would say, not having the huge battery capacity. So that is what we all waited till now without buying this device. A lot of users, they thought of buying this phone, but keeping the battery in mind, they were thought that maybe in the X8 Pro device, battery backup might be higher, 7550 mAh, but that's not even the case. It's still lower than this device. So even this phone was available for about 21,999 and 23,999 for 12GB and 8GB RAM, like exactly 3 weeks back. But right now, with this kind of low battery capacity, I don't think many people will be interested to buy unless and until The price of the phone is close to 27,999 or maybe 26,999. If this is the price, a lot of people will be buying the phone. If anything more than that, not many people will be showing interest to buy at all POCO X8 Pro. Let me know in the comments what are your thoughts about the battery backup capacity. So meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates and see you in the next video. Until then, signing off and bye.